Hello there, c'est le mal tempo report tout d'abord. Il y a une cyclone tropicale ici, Amara, un autre cyclone tropical ici, Bruce, et il y a une faible chance d'un cyclone tropical ici, ouais. Avec Amara, un avertissement de cyclone de classe 2 est une vigueur. Creo que sí is not French, right, so. There is a cyclone warning of class 2, and it's been long enough that I don't remember what the scale goes for Rodrigues and, of course, Rodrigues, if that is how it's pronounced. So yes, that is what is in effect, and I believe I should have run this through a translator since I don't really read French. This is saying that cyclone-like conditions could be starting tomorrow evening. I think that's what that says. Tomorrow evening. Donc, un avertissement de cyclone de classe 2 est une vigueur à Rodrigues. Ouais. So I think that's misspelled and that's correctly spelled. I didn't know that either. So not enough French. So Amara definitely going. Let's zoom in fact, have to change the map layer so that we can put Rodrigues on the map. So if you see this I believe is Rodrigues, but my geography is not very good, so maybe I'm completely off base with that. So, yes, right now, so predicted to weaken somewhat, but it would still be the equivalent of a Category 1 hurricane as it's passing by the island, so that's still going to be a pretty strong and massive storm. This thing, however, predicted to get even stronger from where it is now, but I believe it won't be passing by any bodies of land. I say that because there's nothing on the map that seems to indicate that there are any bodies, any islands or whatnot. So yes, Rodrigues, class 2 cyclone warning in effect. And yes, in fact, this thing could get, depending on how big it is, there could be dangerous surf conditions out here for Maurice and Loch Reunion, but it might also be far enough out at the point that those would be unaffected. Don't know about that. So yeah, there is Amara, so decent-sized cyclone there. You can see an eye, and I wish I could remember the word in French for eye. Instead, I'll say ojo, right? That's in Spanish. And there is Bruce. Bruce got a pretty well-defined eye as well. So that is what is happening in the land of tropical cyclones. These two things. Actually, let's turn on this Indian Basin thing. There you go. So there's Amara and there is Bruce. That is what is happening, yes. And then there's something over here. Let's turn on this as well. So there we go. And there's a very low chance of a tropical cyclone out there. In US severe weather today, there's... wait, not today, but tomorrow there's stuff happening. The mesoscale discussion that's in effect is for snowfall rates, so that is not for severe thunderstorm weather. But tomorrow, 5% chance there. And then day after tomorrow, 30% chance, which is pretty high for December. But that's why you always have to keep paying attention if you're in the Dixie Alley type area. Since the threat level never quite, you can't ever quite trust that there won't be some kind of severe thunderstorm related weather. So there is that for, day 3. And the day 4 right now is predictability too low. So that means there could be something carrying on from day 3 into day 4. Right now, timing and or location is not yet certain enough. Righto. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. Wikidwix is WICKEDWX.com and Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. And it's quite apparent that I need to learn more French. Right. Righto. And that is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.